In this lesson, you'll learn how to integrate a green screen actor into a scene by using color correction. So that edge fix has helped a lot, but to really get this wizard mixed into the scene correctly, we're going to have to adjust his color correction. Now, a big problem is there was a big shadow cast over the screen in the wizard in the original green screen. So we're going to have to counteract that effect. And a good way to do that would be to make an adjustment layer over the wizard to knock out this shadow from the green screen. So we're going to want to do that inside of the pre-comp so it doesn't affect the background at all. So let's take a snapshot of the wizard with the Take Snapshot button, and let's Control-C copy our green screen for reference, and double-click on the wizard fix composition to open it. Now let's Control-V paste our green screen in here, turn it on, and let's make a layer new adjustment layer to brighten up that shadow. Zoom out, and we're going to use the pen tool to draw a mask around where the shadow is in the green screen. And this will knock out the shadow that was cast over the wizard throughout the shot. Let's adjust this a little bit. Just matching the shape of the shadow roughly. So we can turn off the green screen. And to brighten up the area where it's in shadow, we're going to use an effect called exposure. That's under Effects, Color Correction, Exposure. And the variable we're going to want to adjust is the gamma correction. We're going to bring that up to knock out the shadow about 1.39. And then we're going to want to feather this quite a bit. That's going to get the effect we need. So let's bring down the mask properties and let's crank up the feathering to about 317. Now, if we turn off the mask, see we're knocking out that shadow. Let's go back to the render comp. And already it's looking better, but we're going to need to dial in the levels in this wizard to get him really comped into this scene nicely. So select our wizard fix pre-comp and let's apply levels to it. Effects, Color Correction, Levels. One of the most often used effects in After Effects. So to adjust the levels, it's a good idea to look at the green channel. This is for two reasons. One, it's easier to see what the levels are doing with a black and white image. And also, green happens to be the color that's most clearly seen by humans. So by adjusting the green channel, we're best affecting the levels for the shot. So now we're going to adjust the output white, which will bring down the brightest whites in the scene. So we're going to want to try to match the whites in the wizard to the whites in the background. As we bring this down, just carefully look and see what looks right. I think that about 0.964 looks about right. Just a little bit of an adjustment. And then we're going to bring up the output black, which will brighten up the darkest parts of the wizard. I can just adjust this to match the black points. See, it looks about right at 0.058. Next, we're going to adjust the gamma, which will adjust the midpoint levels of the wizard. And add a little bit more contrast in it, which matches the background better. I think about 0.73 looks right. By turning it on and off, we can see we're matching it more nicely. And now it's a good idea to also look at the other channels. But in this case, I think the other channels are matching pretty closely, the red and blue channels. So let's go back to the RGB scene, and we can compare our snapshot before and after. As you can see, we're matching the wizard in much more nicely by using the color correction techniques.